you guys be nice. Buddy. Moose, give him his space. Moose. Hey, guys. Hey, be nice to your cousin. Moose, stop barking. Well, you're being a good dog right now. We can do a treat, buddy. Bang. Bang. Good buddy, good bang. Moose, you keep your distance. You've been in his face enough to... Oh, yes, I love you too. But hey, he's eating something. Relax. Puppy, and you like to play. You gonna do something? Moose, sit. Yay, good puppy. You guys are so cute together if you just get along. Moose. Did he? Oh, buddy, you just stole Moose's pretzel. You naughty dog.